Hello aspirants. Welcome to Juris Blitz, your legal friend. In today's video, where we will be discussing Section 41 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, commonly referred to as CrPC. This section deals with the powers of the police to arrest individuals without a warrant. Let's dive into the details and understand its provisions along with some important judgments. Section 41 of the CrPC grants wide powers to the police regarding arrests without a warrant. According to this section, a police officer may, without an order from a magistrate and without a warrant, arrest any person if he has a reasonable belief that such person has committed a cognizable offense or is about to commit one. A cognizable offense refers to a crime for which a police officer may arrest an accused without a warrant. Examples of cognizable offenses include murder, robbery, theft, and kidnapping. On the other hand, a reasonable belief means that the police officer should have genuine grounds to suspect the person's involvement in a crime based on available evidence or information. Over the years, several judgments by the Supreme Court of India have interpreted and clarified the provisions of Section 41. Let's discuss a few significant judgments. Jajinder Kumar v. State of UP. In this case, the Supreme Court emphasized the importance of the protection of personal liberty and laid down guidelines to prevent arbitrary arrests. The court held that an arrest should be made only if the police officer has credible information or reasonable suspicion, and that the police officer must record the reasons for arrest. Arnish Kumar v. State of Bihar. The Supreme Court, in this landmark judgment, observed that the police should not mechanically arrest an accused in cases where the punishment is less than 7 years imprisonment. The court stressed the need to examine the necessity for arrest and the importance of protecting an individual's fundamental rights. D.K. Basu v. State of West Bengal. This case dealt with custodial torture and deaths in police custody. The Supreme Court issued guidelines to prevent custodial violence and emphasized the need for police officers to follow due process and respect the dignity of individuals during arrests. Section 41 and of the CrPC provide additional provisions related to arrests. Under Section 41, a police officer can arrest a person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made, or credible information has been received, or a reasonable suspicion exists of their involvement in a cognizable offense. Section 41 allows the arrest of a person who is a proclaimed offender. It is important to note that while Section 41 grants wide powers to the police for arrest without a warrant, it also emphasizes the need for accountability and protection of individual rights. The exercise of such powers should be done judiciously and in accordance with the guidelines laid down by the Supreme Court. In conclusion, Section 41 of the Code of Criminal Procedure empowers the police to make arrests without a warrant based on reasonable belief in the commission of a cognizable offense. However, the exercise of this power must be reasonable, justifiable, and in adherence to the guidelines set by the Supreme Court. These guidelines emphasize the protection of personal liberty, prevention of arbitrary arrests, and the importance of due process. Understanding and respecting these provisions and judgments is crucial in upholding the principles of justice and individual rights in our criminal justice system. Thank you for watching this video on Section 41 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. We hope this simplified explanation has helped you understand the key points of this section. For more information, please refer to the Code of Criminal Procedure and consult legal experts when needed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Juris Blitz for more educational content on law and various legal topics. Stay tuned to your legal friend.